Hello everyone. Let us continue with our childhood and growing up. We have already learnt that the human life has many stages: infancy, childhood, adolescence, old age, and we have learnt all these stages and what are their specific details in the previous video. In today's class, I am going to discuss with you about what is adolescence and what are the special characters which we can find in the children during this period, and why it is considered as a very special period of life in a human life. So the word adolescence comes from the Latin word adolescere, which means to grow. Normally the word adolescence is meaning that to grow. It is a stage where any human will have an intensive growth in their physical, moral, emotional, social, cognitive developments. Okay. So it is a stage, adolescence is a stage where any individual reaches its puberty. Puberty is nothing but the stage where we are getting ready for the sexual life in our period. Okay. So puberty is normally found in the boys. It is in the age group of 13 to 19. For girls, it is restricted to 11 to 17. So this is not a universal thing. It's a more or less facts, but it might vary from individual to individual. Then when you look into the physical development during adolescence, it is a period where you can see there is if any child is getting ready to the puberty stage, there will be an intensive growth in their body parts, increase of their bones, muscles, their body weight increases, they attain the shape of a regular men or a women. They reach the maximum growth. Okay, and you can see the sexual development, the sexual organs in them, they get more prominent, they start their function. So their routine cycle of menstrual cycle, if it is in the case of women and boys, both they get ready for the reproductive cycle here. You can see the sexual organs mature, they increase in their size. Normally when you look into the boys, when a boy is getting ready for the puberty, you can see them, the voice changes, the hair growth in their underarms, and you can see them, they will have a beard or mustache development and all these things. If it is in the case of a girl, you can see the pubic hairs develop for them, the breast enlargement, the hip bones enlarge in their body parts, so that it is all indication that they are getting ready for their maturity or they are attaining their puberty stage. Then you can see the cognitive development. The cognitive development is more in them. You can see they are very intelligent, they question the things, they don't accept as the people tell. They ask the questions, they reflect upon the things, and they are very keen, and their intelligent quotient is increasing to the maximum during this period, and that's why the cognitive development is more during this period. And emotional development, when you look into the emotion, you can see adolescent, they will have a mixture of emotions. They will be sometimes more happy, sometimes more sad. They will have a swing of emotions. They will not be balanced very much. They enjoy for a small simple jokes and all. They smile for a lot. They utter a very good things, and they enjoy their life. So the emotional development is at the peak during this period. And then when you look into the social development, they wanted always to be with the company of friends, peer groups. They establish their gang among themselves, and they enjoy their life to the fullest the social development. And then when you look into the language development, they wanted to know some technical words, new words. You can see when an adolescent talks among the group, you can find they use many new words, many words to indicate certain things, and they are very prominent, and they get used to new things, concepts, ideas. Okay, so whenever we look into the adolescent stage, it is a stage where any adolescent is attaining their puberty. Then it is a stage where the physical growth is maximum in their life, and this is a stage growth. We have already learned growth stops up to 20 years like that. So this is a stage where there is a peak in their physical development, and you can see they attain the sexual maturity. Cognitive development is more, emotional development is more, social development and language development occurs. So there is some other terms. Adolescent can also be called as a stage of teenager, or it can be called as a stage of stress and storm. Stanley Hall has defined this as stress and storm because you have many these adolescent children they will have many difficulties. They need proper guidance from their parents. They want their parents to treat them as a friends. They want a proper role model to reflect in them. If not, the adolescent life will not be very perfect. Okay, and then it is called as a crucial stage because whatever they get and make up their personality in this stage reflects in their characters and behavior later. So that is why the adolescent stage is very important in any human being's life. Are you clear with what is adolescent and its characteristics? Thank you.